Hello, kiddos! How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. So, Miss Hira is here again with a new sound for you. But before we learn something new, we always revise the previous word. So, let's say these sounds quickly yourself. You can pause the video now, and if you don't want to do this, say them after me. K, k, s, e, a, t, a, h, p, and And with this, it's the time for our story. Listen to the story carefully because you will find a new sound in the story. Ready? Here you go. Gail is staying with her grandmother, who has a big garden and some animals. This morning, Gail and Gran went outside to check on the goats and the geese. While they were outside, Gail found a frog next to the water bucket. She watched it hop off under the gate. When they come in, Gran sent Gail to the bathroom to have a wash. Gail put the plug in the sink, filled the basin, and washed her hands and face. But when she pulled the plug out, the water didn't go away. Her grandmother came to have a look. "Oh dear, the sink must be blocked," she said. Gran phoned the plumber. When he arrived, the plumber unblocked the sink and the water ran gurgling out of the basin. G, 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 g. Can you see the water is gurgling down? And the sound that is coming out by this gurgling is g, g, g. You can hold your hands up in the air like this and start giving them a spiral movement and say the sound g, g, g. If you want to have a closer look to the motion, this is how you need to hold your hand and give it a spiral movement while saying g, g, g. And there you go, kiddos. Our today's sound is g, g, g. This is the shape of G, and now we'll see how to write G in lines. Please hold your fingers up in the air and start moving them with my finger. Ready? Start making a circle. Go up, down, and out. G. Say the sound G. Let's try once again. Circle. Go up, down, and out. G. Remember, G has a tail, so you need to go to the bottom line to write G. Make the circle in the blue lines and then go down to the red line and flick out. Now, if you're done with this, so now I think you are ready to write G in your notebooks. And if you have this worksheet with you, please write it in your worksheet. Let's get it started. Circle up, down, and out. G. 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 And G. So now let's try it here. You need to make the circle in the blue lines. Down to the red. Flick. G. Circle. G. 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 And there you go. Well done. I hope you have done it too. If yes, so please move on to the next worksheet. In this worksheet, you need to say the names of the pictures and circle the one in which you hear the G sound. Remember, these worksheets are available for you for free. Just ask your mama to get them from my website, Homeschooling with Hera. Now let's say the sound. G. Glasses, rhinoceros. Glasses, rhinoceros. G. Glasses. G. Grass, hat. Grass, hat. G. Grass. G. Gold, tree. Gold, tree. G. Gold. G. Spider, gate. Spider, gate. G. Gate. G. Tiger, gorilla. Tiger, gorilla. G is at the beginning in gorilla, so you'll circle G, gorilla. Woohoo! You have finished the worksheet so quickly. So now it's time to check out our next worksheet that's right here. In this worksheet, you know that you need to make a check if you hear the G sound and make a cross if you don't hear it. So the first picture is of a glass. G. Glass. Do you hear G? Go ahead. Needle. 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 No G. Ghost. 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 Bulb. Bulb. G. Bulb. No G. Girl. 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 G. Girl. Clock. 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 K. Clock. No G. And here you can draw anything that has a G sound in it. So pause the video here and do your work. And now is the most important time, that is blending time. So are you ready? Let's read these words with me. G, a, get, get. Quickly, get. G, a, g, gun. Quickly, gun. A, pa, g, peg. Quickly, peg. G, a, gap, gap. Quickly, gap. D, e, d, g, dig. Quickly, dig. Hooray! We did it. And now it's segmenting time. Now I'm going to say some words that you need to listen very carefully and try to write down the sounds. Ready? Go. The first word is peg. Peg. Can you sound it out on your fingers? Peg. The first sound is p, then e, pe, g, peg. Let's write it. The first sound is p, e, pe, g, peg. Can you read it? Peg. Well done. Let's try to write the second word. It's dig. Dig. Sound it out first. D, e, g, dig. Write it down. First sound is dig. D, 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 d. I hear e. D, g, 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 dig, dig. And here you are. Read it. D, e, g, dig. Next word is rag. Rag. First sound is ra, rag, rag. Let's write it down. Rag, ra, I hear rag, g. Here you go. Rag. Read it now. Rag, rag. Last one is get, get, get. Sound it out. G, a, get, get. Write it down. G, a, get, get. Say it quickly. G, at, get. Kudos! Excellento. Well done. And with this, we are towards the end of our class. But before you go somewhere, you have a paper to do that you can do anytime. You need to only color in the pictures where you hear the g sound and leave the others. The pictures are of glass, leaf, gorilla, boat, and grapes. And the last activity that you can do at home with your mother, you need to open your toy box and find a toy that has a g sound in it. And later, you can ask your mother to give you some grains, and with the help of glue, stick grains to make the g sound on a piece of paper. And with this, it's the time to say goodbye. I hope you have got the new sound very well. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.